Hi there, YouTubers. So today we're going to do a bit of a science experiment. So here I have 7 no-date buffalo nickels. We're going to put these in a bath of vinegar and hydrogen peroxide and see if we can raise the dates on them. Normally I would not condone cleaning coins, but these have very low value. We know the value of them. We're not going to try to pawn them off as being better coins when we're done. So I think that we're safe to clean these up a little bit. So one of these I do know the date of. It is this one. This is a 1913. You can tell by the raised ground reverse. Hopefully, and we'll be able to raise the actual date on it to prove it. So I'm going to go put these in their bath and we'll see what comes up. Alright, so here are the nickels, and they're just in a bath, like I said, of a little bit of distilled white vinegar and hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to let them sit for about an hour and come back and see what they look like. Alright, an hour wasn't quite enough, so these have now sat overnight. You can see that the water's turned this bluish green. There's a little bit of copper dissolved in there. So I'm going to take these out, clean them up, and we'll see if we see any dates. Alright, now that we got these out and dried off a little bit, let's have a look. So this one here, you can definitely see there is a date. Looks like 1919. This one looks like a 1917. Not totally sure on this. 1915? I had these face up in there all night, so really only the front side got cleaned up. You can see there's some guck on here that was wearing down but didn't quite come off. This one, is this our 13? This is our 13. This one's definitely a 28. Or could be a 6. I think it's an 8 though. I'm pretty sure this one is a 16. And I'm pretty sure this one's an 18. So we got a date on all of them. That's a pretty good experiment. So yeah, just a little bit of white vinegar and some peroxide. I saw a lot of different things about how to mix that, but in the end I just kind of eyeballed it. I put in vinegar till they were all covered, put in 3 dashes of peroxide and let them sit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe.